Ngicela kuwena Shavule ukuthi unginikele this opportunity. It's a humble request coming from me to you, njenge-Hotman.
Tada.
I believe ukuthi uNkulunkulu gave you so much grace when you were still playing.
Yes.
And then after your footballing career, wakwehlisela umusa, wakunikeza a second chance. Where I'm going with this, I'm going kule ndaba le kaSipho Mbuli, because I really think, when I think about it, you are the best suitable candidate for this. I would love you to pick up the phone and call that boy and invite him and take him out for a coffee and talk to him, because you've been in that bus, and then uNkulunkulu wakwehlisela umusa, you came out of that bus, and then you were able to make impilo yakho ibe lento eyiyo manje. You are a father, you are a husband, you are a family man. uSipho Mbuli might not get that opportunity. Thank you. What I'm saying is, it's easier for the boy to relate to someone who's been there. Maybe I hear a lot of people saying we've been advising this boy, but maybe he will be able to be more vulnerable to you because